Hi, and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today, we are going to do our cursive capital G's and lowercase g's. Now remember, with left-handed students, we have to tilt our paper with the right-hand side angling down and the left-hand side angling up. Now, when we start our letters on our manuscript paper, we would like for them to have a slant to them. Just like these lines are slanting, we want our letters to slant in the same way. Okay? So straight up and down, not so good. We want a nice slant to our letters. Okay? Now, if you find that you can't get a good healthy slant out of your letters, tilt your paper even more. Okay? So, let me start with letter G. When we start our capital letter G, we go down to the red line. That's the bottom line. We slant up towards the right, all the way up to the blue line. And then we come down, you want a small teardrop. And then you cross back over that line. You want to go back up to the blue line. Then bring it down at an angle, all the way down to the red line. Then you want to cross your first line and make the smiley face. That's capital cursive G. Let's do it again. Starting at the red line, which is the bottom line, you angle or slant up to the blue line at the very top. Make your teardrop. Go down, curve around, back up to the blue line. Come back down to the red line. Cross over the line, make your smiley face. Okay? Now try it with me. Take your pencil, put it on the red line, slant up, all the way up to the blue line, make your teardrop. Okay, don't go all the way down to the blue dotted line, but go almost a little more than halfway. Curve up to the blue line, come back down, slanting to the red line, cross over the first line that you made, and then finish with your smiley face. Okay? I want you to try it. If you remember all of the strokes, go on ahead and try it now. And keep going. Capital cursive G is fairly simple. Fairly simple. Not too bad. And now, what we would like to do is cursive lowercase g. It also needs to have that slant. Lowercase cursive G starts off just like lowercase cursive A, with your oval first. Go down to the red line from the dotted blue line, not the top solid blue line, but the dotted blue line. You meet it just like you would with the cursive A. You meet your line where you started, but then you go down past the red line, which is the bottom line. And then you make the loop, the teardrop below, and bring the line or the tail back up. So make your oval starting right underneath the dotted blue line, curve down to the bottom line, meet your line where you started, slant down, make the teardrop below the red line, and bring the tail up. Again, you start just below the dotted blue line, curve down to the red line, meet your line where you first started, then come down at a slant, loop it, make your teardrop, and come up, bring your tail up to the dotted blue line. If you know the strokes, go on ahead and try a few of these. You can stop the video if you need to. Now, they have a slight slant, not a big slant. So let's see if I can get that slanted a little better. Yeah, there you go. You have to make a conscious effort. That's a little slanted. You see how I have the line here at a better slant than the line here. So just make sure you are trying to slant that line. Why? Because actually it just looks better. It all gels together when they all slant in the same direction. Once we start writing sentences, you'll see exactly what I mean. Okay? So, today we have practiced or learned how to write capital cursive G, and lowercase cursive G. Always practice your other letters. A capital, A lowercase, B capital, B lowercase, C capital, C lowercase, D capital, D lowercase, E capital, E lowercase, F capital, F lowercase, oops, what did I forget on my capital F? I forgot to cross it at the dotted blue line. And the letter of today. I want to turn this. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the paper straight. Even though I am a lefty and I need my paper tilted, I would like for you to see the stroke for this capital G. You want to make sure you slant it. Go all the way up to the top line. Curve down. Go back up to the top line. Go down to the slant down to the red line. Cross over the line that you first started and make your smiley face. Letter G, lowercase. Make your oval just like cursive lowercase a. Right here below the dotted blue line, all the way down to the red line. Then you want to go down at a slant below the red line, cross at the red line and bring it up. Now you can see my slant better. So I want you to practice these on your own. The more you do it, the better you get. All right, I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.